Ever wanted to contribute to an open source project, but felt lost in the sea of GitHub? Let's say you found a project on GitHub, and you want to make a change. The first thing you need to do is fork the repository. Think of forking as creating your own personal copy of the project. Living on your GitHub account, this allows you to freely experiment and make changes without directly affecting the original project. See the fork button at the top right. Click that. GitHub will then create a copy of the repository in your own account. Now you have your own version to play with. After forking, you'll want to clone your forked repository to your local machine, so you can make code changes. Cloning downloads the entire project to your computer. You can do this using your terminal or a Git GUI. Now you need to write code. Navigate to the cloned repository directory. Your terminal. The next step is to create a branch from your personal repository. Think of a branch as a safe workspace. Name it something descriptive, like fix typo or add new feature. Now you can work on the changes within this branch. Within your branch, you can start making those edits. Once you're done, stage and commit the changes locally, using good commit messages to describe what you did. Then, you'll push your branch and the changes to your forked repository on GitHub. After pushing your changes, you'll submit a pull request from your branch in your forked repo. A pull request is like saying, hey, I have these changes, please look at them.